Havoc OS 3.3 is based on AOSP, inspired by Google Pixel. Has a refined material design to UI. So many features that you probably won't find in any ROM. All you can dream of and all you'll ever need. Just flash and enjoy. Notes: it comes with Immensity pre-built kernel. In this ROM no FOD icon picker, and no FOD animations. Now I will tell you what new and change in this ROM. In this ROM, we can see it. Added back frontal camera effects. FOD, fixed flickering. FOD is shown below the pattern or pin view. Reverted to old edge light drawable. More Russian translations. Havoc upstream, added Android R style screen record dialog. FOD circle below pattern or pin view. Panels for some QS tiles on long press. Haptic feedback to switches. Notification log. Skip/previous song function to back gesture actions. Improved navbar toggle code. Fixed minimize keyboard navbar button. Moved full screen gesture setting to navbar gesture length. Other fixes and improvements. Changed FOD, faster, works better on sunlight, accurate, less flickering. New FOD icon. Cyan FOD backlight. Fixed the mobile network tile issues bug sample. Fixed empty tiles row in landscape bug, Havoc upstream and added haptic feedback on toggles. Vibration variance added under the accessibility menu strong, mid, low, off. Some fluidity tweaks. Dropped some kernel stuff. More miscellaneous changes. FOD changes, animation disabled. Faster and accurate. SOD fixed, hopefully. Again some haptic changes. Some miscellaneous changes. Thanks for watching my video. The file download link in the description box. If you like my video, then give it like in this video. If you want tech and gaming videos, then subscribe to my channel.